So, I'm so lost. Ang ganda dito sa Soler. Pero hindi ko makita yung Grand Ballroom. Pata mo. Oh, may Christmas tree pa. Wow! Pagtanong na natin. So, ayan, I'm with Noemi.
Hello.
I'm lost. Good thing. Sanay siya dito. Hanapin namin ang food court. So, finally, andito kami sa food court. Apparently, may food court. Ang social. Asa na yung mga friendship namin? Buti na lang. Sanay si Noemi here. Ayun, nakita ko na sila. Kakain na agad. Di ba libre ang food natin? Bakit nagpo-food court tayo? Ang tagal ko nang liligaw. Bakit kakain na tayo? Di ba andito tayo for the party? Pero gutom na ako. Totoo yan. Oh, diba? Dito muna kami sa The Bakery. Oh, pwede. Affordable. Pwede mag-take out later. And they have pizza. Later, I'll buy for takeout. O, diba? Andito na sila. Gutom na agad yung mga yan. Pero pupunta yan sa kainan. Ang ganda ng food court ng Soler, social. While waiting for entrance. Yes! Ginagawa mukla. Here for PMI year-end party at Soler. Tagal ng pika-pika. May pika-pika kaya?
Kasama ba? Video.
Oh, si Madam. Oh, grabe specs. I'm waiting for Miss Titas.
Picture.
Billy Malloy is here. Yes. Billie Eilish. Liza Tolano is here. Yes. Yay! So while waiting, they have pika-pika. Kasi 7 pa daw pala mag-start. OMG. Oh yeah. Oh yes, pika-pika while waiting. Registration! Eee! Baka masundan na si Bagets. O diba, ang early namin sa food. Hindi ko na na-video isa-isa kasi ang dami. May palit. So, 9 desserts pa lang hindi ko nakuha. Andun, hindi ko ako kukuhanin ko na para ayoko na tumayo. Tama. Kuhanin na natin.
was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my...
Grabe. One more time, once again, Angel Gala and Maxi Andresa!
Get our queens!
Work it, slay. Oh my God, look at that.
We love you, queens. Thank you so much for being here.
So my bar, drink all you can.
We're gonna start off with our minor raffle.
The winners of Jisoo Light Mini Portable Jet. The winners of Adidas Team.
Itsura ng mga hindi nanalo sa raffle. Nag-walk out na.
And as a very special treat,
Kasi hindi nanalo. Hindi nanalo sa raffle. Okay, photo booth. Wow, may mga gwapo dito. Oh. Siyempre, dapat may photo booth. So, ayan, may pa-photo booth. Paano kaya tayo kakasya? May pa ganitong experience.
Kasya ba kami, kuya?
Compress. Nasa? Ayun pala, doon pala titingin.
Sa camera.
Dito kay Kat, oh.
Ayan. Usog pa. Ides kay Anton.
O, diba? Ang ganda dito sa Soler. May dancing fountain. Habang nagsusundo, nag-iintay ng pick up. Mas maganda siguro sa harap. Kaya alam mo, nasa kalsada ako.